Today I'm working on my 2007 BMW 328i, removing the old window tint, trying to get the rest of the window tint out. Just made the car kind of look horrible. I'll probably re-tint the windows, just kind of for the looks. But yeah, getting this car kind of cleaned up and dialed in to kind of use as a daily for the summer. And then, I don't know, who knows, I might throw some snow tires on it, and so I can kind of play around this winter. Working on the back window too. It's kind of a really light tint, but just looked really horrible. And it kind of, I'm not really sure what it even said. But yeah, gonna get that all cleaned up and off there, give it an OEM Plus look, and then probably go with some 20%, maybe 5% in a couple spots just to kind of darken it up and get it ready to cruise. New tires, but I think I might kind of bump it up to an 18 for the summertime, and maybe try to find some snows for these for this winter. Maybe daily this thing. So I'll catch back with you and we'll see how it comes off back there. Changed the oil on the BMW 328i. Took off the shield to see where the leaks were coming from. Did a clean. Changed the oil, some synthetic oil. It's been probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks since it's been driven, running. Going through making sure all the lights work. Don't have any lights out. Turn signals, brake lights, everything work. Got a little more window tint to scrape on the back window. On the back window it's kind of hard to see, but get it finished scraped, and then gonna order a window tint kit probably next week. Take the car all apart and pull all the windows out, retint them. Kind of thinking about trying to paint this car. I don't know. It's a lot of work, but I do have the paint and some of the materials to do it. But I don't know.